The moon. I'm gonna get ya. I have finally conquered the moon from the surface. After years hunting for it, I finally achieved my objective. I wanted to measure the distance to the moon by using triangulation. If you ever look at the moon when it's low to the horizon, as you see here, you almost get the feeling that it's right there, that you can reach up and touch it. It's so strange. By optically triangulating the distance to the moon in both visible and infrared, I was able to understand the lensing properties that are creating this hologram. It is simply incredible, folks. La Luna has finally given up its secrets. One day, driving back to California from Las Vegas, I noticed the moon. There it is. It was so beautiful and clear outside, and I got an idea. I took a number of photos from around Baker, California, looking towards the moon so that I could use my Metashape photogrammetry software. The moon looks so close, and I wanted to verify, see if software correlates. Now, photogrammetry software takes photos and can develop a 3D model from photos taken at different angles. Here I have masked the bottom portion since the road's moving and it messes with it. And when I ran the model, it blew me away. There is the moon. Unbelievable. I could hardly believe it. Unbelievable. I had to rotate the model some more because I couldn't believe it was calculated to be that close. But I guess it correlates with what we observe. It does appear like the moon is like right there. Unbelievable. So this software confirmed for me that indeed we are observing a hologram because the moon is not there. The software seems to calculate it somewhere, 50-60 miles out above some of these mountain peaks out here. There's Baker, and I was right about there, kind of looking out, and there's that mountain, that peak right there. So that was in the scenery. So it puts it above those peaks out there. They're probably like 30 to 50 miles out. Just incredible. So is there a physical material moon 40-50 miles away? No, it is just a hologram. To understand why that is, have a look at this graphic. Can we see the far side from Earth? In other words, if we are behind it, we could easily look at it if it was a real physical moon, and we would see different sides of it. But that's not the experience we have on Earth. So incredibly enough, the observable moon is a hologram. But there's something very strange here. So if from Las Vegas or other locations we do not see an actual object, what do we see? Well, as you can see in this graphic, the direction towards the moon is different. Look at the angle phi. Okay, so what this is saying is that if we increase the baseline, okay, we're going to perceive the moon farther away, you know, and I didn't expect that. That took me by surprise, you know. For example, from Baker, you know, I took the photos over a short distance, you know, I was traveling, I don't know, 60 miles an hour, 70, and I snapped a few photos there. The baseline could be around 2.3 miles based on the speed and the timing on this photo. So anyway, in the next presentation we're going to look at actual measurements and triangulation that I've done in visible and infrared, because that reveals even more, and then we'll have a discussion later. Just incredible results, folks.